Guys, another RC plane to unbox. Ito ay WL Toys XKA150. Ayan. So Airbus 747. Tingnan natin, 3 channel EPP. Ready to fly. Tingnan natin kung anong itsura ng laman niya. So this is XKA150. Unbox natin. So tingnan natin kung anong itsura ng RC plane na to. So Boeing 747, Boeing sana, XK 14 plus ages. Okay, 360 flip, 6 axis gyro stabilization, 2.4 GHz, Boeing 747, A150. So ito yung itsura, 14 plus ages. 500 mm yung fuselage, 150 mm yung height, and then wingspan is 495 mm. Okay, ready to fly. Ano to, brush motor, coreless, ready to fly. Let's see what comes in the package. Alright. Ayan, manual, user manual. Okay, 3 channel to guys. So this is the wing assembly. Okay, so pusher propeller. This is the wingspan. The wing assembly. Maliit yung wing nya, dihedral. And then this is the remote. 3 channel. Etong throttle is throttle lang talaga yung function nya, walang iba, di mo mailiko left or right, talagang up down lang, throttle up and throttle down. This one is you can move the right stick in a circular motion, meaning pwede siyang i-turn left and right, and then meron siyang elevator for up and down. Okay. Ito is landing gear, extra blades, and ano to, screwdriver. And then this one, charger and battery, 1S LiPo battery, 300 milliamperes, charger. Alright, and then of course the fuselage. Okay, assembly na natin na unti. Pagod umupo. So assemble na natin, then konting test dito, and then yun lang, sana wag lang bumagsak sa palayan kasi puro palayan yung putikan. Okay, so tingnan muna natin. W United. Okay, 747 friendship. So may elevator siya guys, may servo siya. Dalawang elevator niya, dalawang ano niya. Okay, nice. So ano to, elevator. So 3 channel siya, the throttle, and then I guess yung liko niya is if you want to turn left and right, differential thrust. Okay, whatever. So kailangan may ano siya, ayun, may tawag dyan, may screw pang labas na natin. Okay, 2 screws for assembling the wing, para may kabit natin yung wing nya. Alright, pero you need to may ano pa siya. Okay, at least easy lang, hindi siya kutkutin kasi mayroong mga ibang XK RC plane na maliit yung connector niya, and then medyo dudukutin mo pa yung ano, yung board niya para maikabit mo yung connector niya, mahirap. Pero this one is a little bit easy. Okay, this is the connector and this is the battery connector. Ito yung sa board, sa controller, sa flight controller. And then meron siyang hatch dito for battery or battery compartment. And good. Maganda dito guys. Maganda dito, napansin ko may on and off switch siya oh. Maganda, may switch siya oh. Kung nakikita nyo dyan, on and off switch, which is much convenient, more convenient. Okay. Ano to, naka off. Okay. So battery hatch, battery bay, and then may on and off switch, and then may LED light siya, indicator na pag naka on or off, and then the antenna. Maganda. I like it. Mas convenient and hindi ka may hirapan pag anyway, so ito na, kabit na natin yung connector ng flight controller. Yun, mas maganda to, mas convenient to kasi malaki, and then hindi siya accessible, more accessible siya than the previous models, like yung mga Warbird, hirap hirap i-connect. So ito medyo convenient and madali lang sa tingin ko. And realistically talaga madali lang. Kasi hindi mo na kailangang dukutin yung And then malinis yung niya. Kasi yung niya, yung flight controller niya is andito na sa wing assembly niya. Kaya hindi mahirap.